Yo, what's up, Fluffy fam? It's your boy Piko Panda, back again with another vlog.
And guys, today we're doing something a little different. Everywhere I scroll, everywhere I look, it's Labubu this, Labubu that.
Everyone's going crazy for it. People lining up for hours just to get this tiny little figure. I don't get it, but hey, you know me. I had to see what the fuss is about. So I'm heading to the biggest toy store in town to find out if this thing is worth it or just another waste of panda pocket money. Let's roll.
All right, fam, so it's a nice day out. Perfect for a little panda adventure. I checked online this morning, and apparently the new Labubu drop is happening at 11 a.m. It's already 10:30, and I bet the line is nuts. I don't even know what this thing is supposed to be. A goblin? A weird rabbit? Some kind of nightmare monster. But apparently if you don't have one, you're not cool anymore. Panda pressure is real, guys.
Okay, hold up. Look at this. Look at this line. Guys, this isn't a concert. It's for a toy.
How? Why?
I'm genuinely confused. It's just a doll, right? All right, whatever. I'm getting in line too. For research, for science, for Panda Pride.
So I've been standing here for like 20 minutes now, and let me tell you, people are losing their minds. One dude up there just paid double the price to skip the line. And I still don't even know what this thing does. Does it sing? Does it cook? Does it predict the weather? No? It just stands there? Man, y'all gotta be kidding me. Finally inside! Okay, Fluffy fam, this is it. The holy land of Labubu lovers. Look at all these shelves. It's like every corner's got a set of those little weirdos. I swear one of them just blinked at me.
All right, here it is, the famous Labubu. It's a small rubber figure with creepy eyes and sharp teeth. That's it. I thought it was gonna do something. Maybe glow in the dark, dance, say my name. Nope, it just sits there staring into your soul. And people are paying how much for this?
Bro, 180 bucks for this? Are you serious? I could buy a mountain of bamboo, a weekend at a beach resort.
Or like 10 burgers with this for a figure this size. Man, I can't with you humans.
Okay, Fluffy fam, let's be fair. It's kind of cute in a creepy, nightmare-inducing kind of way. It's got those weird spiky teeth in the ears.
Okay, yeah, it looks like it hasn't slept in a decade. Honestly, if this was in my room at night, I'd have a heart attack. Still, maybe it makes for a good prank.
You know what, fam? I'm out. Not worth it. Waste of time, waste of money. Unless this thing comes with a free car, no way I'm dropping 180 bucks.
On a grumpy goblin figure. To those who bought it, good luck sleeping at night.
All right, Fluffy fam, here's the deal. Trends come and go. One day it's Labubu, tomorrow it's something else. Don't just follow the hype.
Because everyone else is. If you like something, cool, but if you're just chasing what's popular, you'll end up broke and surrounded by creepy toys.
Be smart, be real, be fluffy. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!